Are your AI prompts feeling bland and not giving you the results you want? Let's change that right now. Hi, I'm Jake. I study IT and cybersecurity, and I'm going to show you guys how to make prompts that actually get results. So these are some of the prompts that I have used in the past and how you can use them too. First of all, I'm going to explain what makes a good prompt, and then I'm going to give you some examples. So, clarity, specificity, context, and detail. How to guide the AI without restricting creativity. All right? Don't treat it like a Google search. It's not a Google search. You're having a conversation with a really dumb work experience kid, and you tell him what to do, but then he's actually a super genius if you give him the right prompt. I'll use it. All right, let's do this. Okay, go. All right, so let's copy this prompt. Before I hit send, I'm going to show you it. So it is pretty long, but I'm going to read out. So basically, we're going to create a social media marketing and content creation schedule for people starting out on Twitch. You're new to Twitch, you have no idea how to promote your stream outside of the platform. I'm going to give you some examples and some explanations on what you need to do to get more views, more follows, more likes, more subs, more everything. So I actually did this the other day for a friend who's a daylight streamer, and he had no idea how to get started with content creation. So we've given some examples here. So how to get more viewers. So he wants to do Dead by Daylight, CSGO. All right, let's see what it can come up with. All right, so first of all, it's optimizing your Twitch titles. It's good. Chat control challenge. You can let chat control what you do. Viewer bingo. So they're very interactive ideas. So you can do humorous stuff. I would recommend, if it's a shorter clip, go TikTok. Let the viewers interact with what happens next. Behind the scenes, you could post that on Instagram or TikTok. Weekly highlight reel. Clips with a call to action. Viewer spotlight. Okay. What areas can I improve on as a new Twitch streamer looking to get into content creation? Consistent visuals, yeah. Clear branding, memorable username. Haha, I'm not doing that myself. Mine's pretty lame. Camera setup and lighting. Always be talkative. Be responsive to chat. Interactive call to actions. Schedule consistently. Clear objectives. So we got planned events. Social media presence. You're going to post your highlights on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. Yes, you want to build your platform outside of Twitch. Use Twitter, Discord, Instagram Stories for daily updates. Interactive features like polls, predictions, and viewer-controlled gameplay choices. Discord community, so build a Discord server. Viewer involvement. So what you want to get good at is audio and video quality. So that you want to get good at DaVinci Resolve. You want to get good at GIMP or Photoshop for your thumbnails. What else? Optimizing your stream, so record for a little bit and then play it back and see if it's all good. View your VODs, that's good. Viewer feedback, ask your viewers if the audio is good in real time. Experiment with different games, see what works. Choose one improvement per week. So it even gives you like a schedule on how to do it. Dedicate 30 minutes weekly on reviewing your stream recordings. That's what I was talking about before. So that's one prompt. I'm going to go forward to another one. So this is how I use it for programming. All right, so this is my programming prompt. So this is, I'm giving it the role of an expert programmer, and I'm going to get it to teach me how to do something. There you go. So how to make a Python chatbot for Twitch, JavaScript pop-up during the stream, basic scripts, step-by-step. Okay. For example, give me Software I will need. Skills I should learn. Code I should use to make a basic Twitch bot. Python. So I use Visual Studio Code, but you need Python on Visual Studio Code. Yeah, there you go. Visual Studio Code is what it recommends. Okay, you can actually install it as an extension, step by step. So learn the basics of Python, install the packages, work with API. So like we did with the previous bot we worked on. Set up a Twitch account. It assumes you haven't got a Twitch account, so it's even going to show you all that. Okay, it's literally telling you step by step on how to make the bot. It's the same. It requires bot username, channel name, and the auth token. It's actually pretty easy. I might make one of these. How to run it. So you can actually host it on something, because this is just going to run it while you're streaming, which actually isn't such a bad idea. You might not need to host it externally if you're only running it while you're streaming. Otherwise, you can host it like I did. Potential issues if you get the names wrong or whatever. Okay. Okay. The code is a little complicated for me. Please comment what each block of code is doing and show me the results. Okay. For that, so it's gonna comment what everything does. So obviously you need to know coding like basics, but if you can get it to explain what every line of code does, like you can probably make a really simple one. For that, it's commenting what every single step does. And that's not to say that this will work straight away every time. That's probably going to take a bit of tweaking, but just to see what you can do with AI is quite interesting. It's going to explain what the bot does. Pretty cool. Next steps. Coin flip. Alright, so that's another example. Alright, moving on to our third example. This is going to be for... Oh, it's generating right now. This is prompt 3. Organizing tasks and planning content with ChatGPT. So, it's going to give you a schedule. This is for your content creation again. I think I didn't give it any instructions, so it's just going to be for content creation. Topics and games. You need to download few clips. Like it's like a complete schedule for you, so it can organize things for you too. It can be your personal assistant. Yeah, it's even got tools you should use. DaVinci Resolve, that's what I use. You can actually schedule. Look, say even I'm learning stuff. You can schedule your things to post later. Twitch dashboard, YouTube Studio. Yeah, YouTube Studio you want on your phone. That's actually really good. Canva for thumbnails. I recommend GIMP, but Canva's good too, I guess. Interesting. Look at that. Look, it's literally got a schedule for you. Checklists. Look at that. Weekly reflection. Holy crap, dude. Isn't that great? So that, I mean, that's just another use for it. So you can use it to organize. You can change it. You don't have to do content creation. You can do it for your workflow, whatever you want. All right. Next one. All right. So this one is for actually how I structure these prompts. This is using the Risen framework. So it's actually going to give you all the steps. So it's going to teach you guys how to use Risen framework. That's how you ask it questions better. So it's role, instruction, step, example, and narrow. Look at that. So it's given it the role of a thumbnail designer. Create a visually attractive thumbnails for Dead by Daylight. Colors and visual elements. Look at that. narrow example. Yep. You're a Twitch growth strategist. Engaging titles. So you can see what you can do with it. Why use Risen? It gives it more structure. Alright, I'll give you guys my last one, alright? I'm actually running out of prompts. Alright. This is the last one. And this one is on AI driven. So this is how I actually, my workflow for how I make YouTube videos. Alright, so we generate ideas with AI. Okay. Example responses. You can have a funny one, a dramatic one. This is for Magic the Gathering. Thumbnail creation. So actually, I send my idea of a prompt to ChatGPT first, and then I use this thumbnail. Do that in a sec. Anyway, so we keep reading through this concept. Yeah, and then even for the titles and thumbnails, I get that generated by AI as well. Additional tips. Look at that. That's great. All right, let's use this prompt. Make a Zedru guide thumbnail prompt. Here we go. So it's going to make the prompt for me. Okay. Do that over here to the thumbnail generator. Include the Jake Yellow XD character in the thumbnail, in the artwork. So I've actually given it a very good description of what Jake Yellow XD is. Let's see if it can handle it. Make Jake Yellow XD laughing. What did it ask about? And Zedru Sly, no words or text, please. I'll make my own text with GIMP. Yep. Okay. Use the Jake Yellow XD description I gave you in earlier prompts. I wonder if it actually has it. Okay. Here's an example. Here's a prompt. Here is a description. Jake Yellow XD. And talk about the composition. Okay, here we go. Well, it's not exactly Zedru. I didn't give a description of Zedru, but you can see, like, it's pretty cool. Anyway, so I'm gonna go back to this. So you guys have got some prompts, inspiration to go out and do your own. Good luck with it. And if you have any comments or questions, leave in the comment section below. For watching, and if you found this useful, subscribe. See you next time.